Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Mr. Atesa speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order something.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have any menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is John Maika and my room number is 112.
Okay, Miss Maida. Of room 112, may I take your order?
I want cheese ball and roasted chicken.
Would you like egg tart or Shanghai spring rolls? How about some white wine to go with it? Is there anything else that you would like to order?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Joanne Maika, may I repeat your order? Your order is cheese ball bite and roasted chicken. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
The specific time.
The total amount of your bill is 650 pesos. Are you paying it in the cash or charge it to your room?
I want to pay it in cash.
Alright, ma'am. How much bill do we need to change for?
1,000 pesos.
Is there anything else that I can help you?
My aircon is not working.
Thank you for bringing that concern. Would you like to make transfer your call to the right department to address your concern?
Yes, please.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Hi, my name is Lester Altesa. Is this John Maika's room?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you want me to set it up for you? Would you want me to open the curtain for you?
Yes, please.
Where should I place your phone?
Here, please.
This is the roasted chicken together with cheese ball bites. Did I get the correct order?
Yes. Thank you.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
I'm all good.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. This is your bill. This is your change. Action! I'll come back after 45 minutes to pick up your tray, or you may leave it outside the door whenever you are done. Thank you, and have a nice, great day, ma'am.